Penila so video lo nali tumana ke than ponji la bangke Assam HS mate class 12 result aputhak sinang than pachini ponikpo la pen nali tum na so video along si klar dak mate detail salam bangke thekpon long ikpo la pen nali tum jong si giveaway chipa ingtung pulta la so YouTube channel nali tum subscribe krelang pulta subscribe igon la pen message na comment nali tum a video tina long pi igon la pen video tins tame ni lika upload tins tame nali tum a video bangkilang nang jila bangke kilang so la pen videos tame nali tum share nang po la pen liking si pilo pulotang te nali tum giveaway ke higher chance bangke do ikpo la pen giveaway results tame ni li pida prang pon la pen nali tum chonghong ik chatnon la pen la so videos tame nali tum kan ma share on share go karpeng long ras tame plan iknang la pen pachini iknang tang te non pathiek pen Assam ahsec 12 result aputhak matela important details aputhak dak che than pononang la pen lang pononang examination board la bangke Assam higher secondary education council lo mate short form and pudam la bangke ahsec la pen dak exam amen la bangke Assam 12 examination 2024 la pen state la bangke Assam la pen result dak release pona adet la bangke before 10 May 2024 sidak bangke ke tokpon sitame fix adet la bangke puthek the la so ke klang bangke la so achiklosi me achiklosi klang igvekpo sitame dak before 10 May pusida ke tokpon la si la so aprang 10 May aprang sitame la so result la bangke klang detta thek la pen result status non ako dak bangke not declare la pen mode of result la bangke nalitum online si lang ignang po la pen official website nalitum ahsec.assam.gov.in la so a website long dampen tame nalitum detail salam la bangke nalitum chini pon ikpo la pen dak expectation of Assam board 12 result 2024 la bangke la sono flowing of the exceptional performance of the female student in the previous year. It is the anticipated that the state board will once again achieve remarkable result. Student can stay updated with the latest information on their marks by visiting the official website of the board. Let's see daketok pon ateng mate ki pipon ateng labang kenalitum jong se update nang igwer ji plot nalitum official website long dam tami nalitum update labangke long dam ikpo laben putho dake tokpon do thulang Assam board 12 result date 2024 labangke sano with the meticulous planning and execution by the Assam government. The class 12 class examination was conducted raising the expectation for an outstanding result compared of the previous year. In 2023 the HS 12 result was declared on 6 June. Sikidam tang hudbang la son la dak kapiklang pon mate kipipon labang ke 6 June 2023 ahotsi paklang pon iglo la class 12 result labang ke laben puthot nan itum dak thek pon long thuji class 12 labang ke exam ka start date labang ke kidam tang February lapen March 13 March an sidakang ton pono lapen result announce adet labang ke non result ki pipon ji labang ke 10 May aprang si pipon ikpo lapen re-evaluation of result labang ke June chiklolo lapen compartment exam date labang ke July chiklo sidak and pon ikpo lapen result of compartment exam result labang ke August 2024 anisi matelo sa chiklo si pipon ikpo lapen tuning mate ke damtang previous year details bang son lo kadoka wepen dag stream bangke science lapen commerce na tustame kadoka wepen dag 46,383 an student dak tok dun iglo son dak sidak science student ke pass percentage labang ke 84.96 percentage commerce student labang ke dak 79.56 an lapen number of pass student labang ke kadoka wepen 39,405 an sidak ke pass ponlo lapen art student labang ke 70.12% an si ke pass dun iglo lapen detail mention of Assam HS result 2024 labang ke lason lo nalitum website along dampen hodak student nali amen lapen parents details, date of birth, 12 roll number lapen school name code stream name of the subject and code practical and theory marks of each subject grade total of all subject marks division result grade obedient maximum passing marks lai which taminanitum thekpon long ikpo lapen result ke lang poneng ji nalitum official website long ta dui lapen kapre kapre
to change your